Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video is going to be a purse organization slash what's in my bag video. So let's just get started. This is my bag. It's got this strap and then it's got the removable adjustable strap. And this is, the brand is T-shirt and jeans. I got this off Zulily for about 20 bucks about 2 years ago, so you probably won't be able to find it anymore. But I love it because it's not too small, it's not too big, and yeah, before anybody asks, you've had that for 2 years. I don't switch out my bag that often, if at all, because I try not to carry that much with me, and everything that I do carry with me, plus some extras, will fit in this purse. So we'll start with the outside and what I keep in it. This first pocket is just, it's big enough to hold my phone. So my cell phone goes in this pocket, and my cell phone is on my desk right now, so that's why it's not in here. This next pocket, I keep candy in it. That way if I need candy or mints or anything, I just grab them. This next one, I keep like a little first aid thing. It's just got gloves and a breathing protector in there. I'm an EMT, so I carry that weird stuff with me. And actually, if you're a parent, if you don't want to carry a whole first aid kit in your car, that's an actual tip. Keep little small things in your purse if you can, or your diaper bag. Cause I know my friend has a purse, and she uses it more as a diaper bag than an actual purse. Okay, there's no pockets on the back, but when you open it, on this side, there's a zipper pocket, which is unzipped. And in the zipper pocket, I keep my keys and my little cards that I have. I've got 2 keychains and 2 keys right now. One from my grandma's house, one from my house. And then my car keys are separate, and I will put those in the pocket as well when I'm in the gym or if I'm at the store or any place. And then on the other side, there are 2 more pockets. In one of them I keep hand sanitizer, just a bottle like that. And usually I have chapstick in there, but I don't have any right now. And then the next pocket I have gum. And I keep that in the actual bag, because if I don't, I won't have room for the other candy. I'm a candy hoarder. Anything that mints, gum, well, anything that goes in there. And the next thing in the big pocket of my purse is my wallet. It's just I got this at Walmart, I think about a year ago, maybe longer than that. The back pocket doesn't have anything in it. When you open it up, I've already taken out my EMT card, my driver's license, so I don't give any of that information away. Then it's got this section for coupons, receipts, cash, and change in this little zipper. And then it's got another snap, and that's where I keep business cards and credit cards, my bank cards. And then I've got my insurance card and 2 other store cards that don't have the key ones, which is weird anymore. But that's my wallet, and this is, like I said, it's from Walmart, so you might be able to find it. Okay, the next thing in my big, my big thing is my checkbook, and I keep a pen on the checkbook, just makes it easier. Then I have the thing I got from the library to keep your library card in. And the last thing in there is extra Tylenol and ibuprofen. And I just ripped the prescription label off of a prescription bottle and put it on there, because it's just easier to hold it. Okay. But that's what's in my purse, and that's how I organize my purse. It's not much, but I don't really carry that much, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if I can find the wallet or the purse or something similar, I'll link it in the description box as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.